Okay. Oh, hey guys. Hindi ko kasi alam kung nagdi-disconnect yung headphone. Sasabihin ko sana, ba't wala akong marinig? Oo nga pala, hindi to video call. Nasa airport ka na, waiting for the flight to go. Hala, lapit ng boy. Ang oily ko. Gosh. Wala lang guys. They're all on their phones and no one's talking to me. So like, talk to me guys. Ay, nako. Naka-live ako. Oh, so now they're not basta yun. Oh my gosh, guys. Kamusta kayo? You know, it's oh, what time boarding? 10:05? Oh, ngayon pa talaga ako nag-live na malapit na mag-boarding. Wala, mabilisan lang to guys. Sure to na mabilisan kasi malapit na mag-boarding. Oh, naka, naka-live ako. Hey, wait. Nakalin yung, nakalin yung phone ko sa water bottle. Huwag ka na lang uminom. Sorry. Okay. Wala ko sa boses. Tingnan mo. Milkshake. Say hi to Bingard. Oop, oop. Nandito si Manager Els. Yeah, lahat sila naka-headphones. So, no one's talking to me. Long hugger ko. Sabi ko hugger. Rinig niyo ba? Hello? Rinig niyo ako? Say yes. Okay. Di ba? Yan lang. Wala nang ikipag-usap sa akin dito, kaya na nakausap ko. Muffled? Not super clear? Bakit? Wait, ang bilis ng comment. Rinig pero hindi clear. What am I gonna do? Okay lang guys, isin muna natin saglit naman. Wala akong mic. Ayoko tanggalin yung headphones kasi. Ayan. Para isipin nila na may ka-video call ako. And, ganun. It's like, ano kaya ko dito guys? Sabi nila, ano nangyayari dito? So like, I need to pretend na I'm gonna kakal ko kayo. Kaya, kailangan suot ko yung headphones. Yes. Uwi na ako boarding in a while. Yes, atake si Elle. Nagsa-selfie. Oh, she has that fish island. Uy, gusto ko yan. Yeah. No reply, man. Hindi ko... Baliktad. Di naman pa. Yan, di na lang kayo mag-headphones. Is that better? Hello? 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 have my music. But my song. Oh, my music not playing. Sorry, I was listening to music.
Oh, sorry, not even.
Guys, sira na yung nails ko. Gonna get my nails done soon. Asan ka na? Nasa puso ko may picture sila ni Kuya. What about me? Hello? 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 Hey.
Guys, mag-TikTok na kami.
Yeah.
Ciao!
What's your height? 5'8". Guys, alam mo kanina, habang nag-check-in kami, stress. Because like, sobrang excess yung baggage namin. Hindi ako magli-lipstick, hindi na kailangan. Bibiyahe lang ako. Okay. Boarding na ba? Kailangan ko pa mag-CR.
CCR ka.
CR ka? CR ka na? Oh, bye guys. I have to go. I have to CR because we're gonna be boarding because yeah.
Tignan nyo guys yung TikTok ni
Nag-post na siya? Nag-post na siya?
I know. Wala, hindi pa naman nag-board.
No, that stick doesn't stand there.
Mga 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Kala ko 10:05. CR ka na? Okay. I have to go, guys.
I know you.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh.
You are very famous, right? No. Sorry. sorry.
Hi. Me?
Caught on live.
Me? What? Oh. Hello?
Yeah, it's her.
Thank
Same
you.
face, same face.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Huh?
I was not ready for that.
Ano?
Anyari? What?
Oh, kasi ako yung napitan. Kala niya ako siya.
Huh?
Akala niya ako ikaw. Sabi niya,
Akala niya ako, ikaw.
Yeah.
Ikaw ako?
oo.
Kilala din.
Sabi niya, you are very famous, right? Can I take a picture of you? Sabi ko, me? Nalito din ako. No, it's not me.
Oh my God. What?
I was so confused.
Gagi. May chocolate ngipin ko. May chocolate ngipin ko. Ayan na siya. Hala. Uy, hindi kayo nagsasabi may chocolate ngipin ko. I need a toothpick. May chocolate ngipin ko. Yan. Kain pa more.
Asa? Ay, wala na.
Meron! You guys are sabotaging me. You didn't tell me. Meron ka dyan, toothpick? Yan, kain pa more. Ang dami kong chocolate kinain. No. This is embarrassing.
Guys, napaka-chaotic ng gabi.
I know, right? May mirror ka? Uy! Galing to sa restaurant to. Ay.
Narinig ba nila yun? Ano nangyari?
Oh.
Yun yung napagod. Guys, nalito sila sa Pinay ko ata yung girlfriend.
Okay. It's safe now.
Kanina pa pala.
Hindi ko nga alam. I feel so... Wait, okay. Ihi na ako. I have to go. Bye-bye. Because we're gonna be boarding. And ayoko yung tumatayo-tayo sa plane. Because nahihiya ako tumayo. Especially kapag may katabi kami. You know? I'm shy to say, excuse me. Excuse me. May I pass?
Kanino rin?
Ay, kay kuya to. Ay, hello po. Hello po. Ay, hello po. Wait, end ko lang live. Bye, guys.